Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic LibreCAD tutorial how to add text. So if you want to add text, there are two options. You can use the text tools, or the second we can use the M-text tools. Go to the dimension tools and you can see we have these two options. So first I will use the text icons. You can click and then I will set the names like into example LibreCAD, and you can set for the fonts. We use the ISO height, like I will set into 3, angle 0, and with factor 1. Now you can click OK and then click on the drawing area to insert the text object. If you want to edit, you can double click and you can edit the text here. The second, we can use the M text. So we set again in here example LibreCAD. Set height 3, and this is for the fonts. Now for alignments, we use the center points. If you done, click OK to apply. And to edit, you can double click again the text object, editing, and click OK. It will be changed. Okay, that's it for basic LibreCAD tutorial how to add text.